we are ready to receive our guests from the 15 countries and the other guests who we will be receiving starting May 5. So yan po yung umpisa ng arrival ng ating mga bisita. And we anticipate that we will be staying and some of them will be staying until May 12. So yun po yung pinitin natin na days where we will be securing Region 7 to ensure the safety and security of our guests. As we go along, we will make sure to adjust if there are any challenges that we see as we conduct our simulation exercises. Our convoy runs will be to make sure that we disrupt the traffic in the city very shortly and quickly. Meron po tayo tinatawag na convoy run where we test how many minutes po yung pag-transport natin ng ating mga leaders from the hotels to the venue of the meetings to make sure na mas mapaiksi pa po natin yung ating kung meron po tayong issues on traffic. We're very aware that this is all the time that we see so many tourists in our region. Marami na po tayong police na nakikita po natin yung influx ng ating mga bisita. So we make sure that with the joint exercises that we conduct, we also work on the convenience of our local citizens para hindi po masyadong makawala, even also the businesses and other things that's going on around our region. With that, I would like to pass out. So, on behalf po again of Police Brigadier General Arnold Abad, our current overall task group commander for Central Visayas, we will take questions as we go on this press. Good morning.